Hello everyone, and today we have received a portable, compact and powerful gas stove from the company Fire Maple, namely the model is called Lac Butane. All this is supplied in such a package, where the gas burner itself is depicted on the front side. The names of its elements are indicated on the left, its main advantages are on the right side, and the characteristics of the stove are indicated on the back side. Well, let's move on to unpacking. Inside the box you will find a durable protective case for easy transportation of the stove. On the case itself there is a carrying handle as well as plastic latches. Let's open the case and take out the gas stove itself. This stove is made of high-quality aluminum alloy, which ensures a long service life and suitability for repeated use outdoors, and not only. The pan stand and the burner head are made of stainless steel. Small size 214 by 188 by 120 millimeters, and weight 1.23 kilograms. Compact and light enough to take with you in a backpack or car trunk. The stove is equipped with a powerful 2300 watt burner, which boils 1 liter of water in 3 minutes 25 seconds, as the Fire Maple company itself claims. An excellent result for camping conditions. Its compactness is an obvious advantage, but there are also hidden advantages that you may not even think about until you use it. Namely, 1. Easy cleaning. If you have ever tried to clean a traditional gas stove, you know how difficult it is. Grease and dirt accumulate in all the grooves and cutouts, which makes it difficult to thoroughly clean. But with this stove, you simply remove the pan support, and you are left with a completely flat surface. This makes cleaning incredibly easy. Even stubborn stains are removed in minutes. 2. Improved safety. Safety is another important factor. In this new stove design, the cylinder is secured with a magnet, ensuring a perfectly flat fit around the entire perimeter of the stove. This prevents any leaks, regardless of temperature changes. This is a game changer in terms of safety. 3. Another key benefit of this stove is its versatility. Many traditional stoves have a large diameter pan support, which may not support small cookware. For example, if you are using a compact cooking system with a diameter of 11 centimeters, it will simply fall through these gaps. In contrast, this gas stove has a smaller diameter between the legs of the pan support, allowing you to use both small and large cookware. Even large pots up to 4.5 to 5 liters in volume fit perfectly. Another aspect of versatility is the size of the burner. On many traditional stoves, the burner spreads the flame horizontally, creating a wide circle of flame. This can be problematic. If you use a frying pan, about 17 centimeters in diameter, you will often have to reduce the flame to prevent it from heating the handle or wasting energy. However, this stove has a smaller burner with a 45-degree flame angle, which allows it to direct heat more efficiently to the pan. This ensures better heat distribution and prevents overheating of surrounding surfaces. 4. Build quality. The build quality here is exceptional, both inside and out. It is like a work of art, aesthetically pleasing, durable. Many users even take pictures of it while cooking and post them on their social network. Disadvantages? Of course, no product is perfect. Let's look at a few disadvantages to consider before buying. 1. No wind protection. If you plan to use it outdoors, you will need to consider installing a wind protection. 2. Sensitivity to gas mixtures. The gas stove has a built-in safety valve in the reducer and is designed primarily to work with butane gas. Butane has a lower pressure in warm weather, which makes it ideal. However, many gas cylinders sold in different countries contain a mixture of butane, isobutane, and propane. These mixtures have a higher pressure, which can cause problems with the safety valve. If you accidentally purchased a mixed gas cylinder and find that the stove does not light, you can try cooling the cylinder in a river, refrigerator, or any cold environment before inserting it. This reduces the pressure, allowing the safety valve to work properly. 3. No-click mechanism for fixing the cylinder. In this stove, the cylinder is held by a magnet, so there is no audible click when connecting. There is such a psychological moment when you use the stove for the first time and wonder, is everything really fixed there? Because there was no click? And can I still turn on the gas stove? Everything can be done. If suddenly something goes wrong, the stove simply does not work, and that's it. To check, just make sure that the rim of the cylinder is completely pressed against the metal plate with the magnet. If it is in place, the burner will work fine. Over time, you will get used to this system, and will instinctively understand when the cylinder is inserted correctly. After using this stove extensively, I can confidently say it's a top-tier option for both camping and home use. Its compact size, superior build quality, and enhanced safety features set it apart from standard gas stoves. While it does come at a higher price, the added benefits, such as easy cleaning, better heat efficiency, and a secure magnetic canister system, make it a worthwhile investment. If you value quality, safety, and convenience, this stove is absolutely worth considering. It's a product that delivers on its promises and makes outdoor cooking simpler, safer, and more enjoyable. And that's all from me. You can buy it using the link in the description. Thank you all for watching. Good luck to everyone. Bye everyone. Ciao.